Trigonometry. Good morning. Welcome to TMMS Productions. Today we are going to learn how to get the ratios of standard angles, that is trick number 2.
Here is one more trick to remember the ratios of standard angles. As we know, the standard angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So in order to remember these by heart, you have to make a table like this, and all you have to do is write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Now take the square root, square root, square root, square root of each. Simple. Now once we have done that, divide it by 2. Each one gets divided by 2. Now root of 0 upon 2 becomes 0 upon 2 is 0. Root of 1 is 1. So 1 upon 2 is half. Root of 2 upon 2. Now 2 is to be perceived as root 2 into root 2. And so one of the root 2's gets cancelled and you will have 1 upon root 2. You can remember it as root 2 upon 2 as well. Then in that case you can substitute the value of root 2 as 1.414 and then you will get your answer as 0.707. That is the decimal value. Now let us come to sine of 60. Sine of 60 is root of 3 upon 2. So it stays by itself. Now we come to 90. 90 is root of 4 upon 2. Now root of 4 is 2. 2 upon 2 gives us 1. For the cosine ratio, that is cos ratio, remember what is our sine of 90 becomes cos of 0. So we write this number here. This number root 3 upon 2 here for cos 30 because sine of 60 becomes cos of 30. Then the sine of 45 becomes cos of 45. Then the sine of 30 becomes cos of 60 degrees and the sine of 0 becomes cos of 90. Now in order to get the tan ratio, remember tan is equal to sine upon cos. And so you divide sine by cos, 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1 gives us 0. Then for 30, half divided by root 3 upon 2. And that gives us 1 upon root 3. Then we have 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2 to give us the tan of 45, which will be 1. And then we have for tan 60, we will have sine, that is root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled and that will give us root 3. And for 90, the tan will be sine upon cos, which is 1 upon 0, which is infinity. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.